Hi there. So today I'm going to be talking about some universal designs in this lesson plan. It is a theater lesson plan for 6th grade students. I'm also going to be taking you through some of the technology supports that can support this overall UDL, which is what we want in the classroom. So here we go. We should start off first with our objectives here at the top. So the three objectives for this standard, which is rooted in vocal work, they are: I can identify different emotions just by listening to other people. I can demonstrate different emotions using only my voice. And I can develop my own characters and character emotions through vocal work. So one of the ways that we can do this is by doing a character worksheet, which is really great. This is kind of the culmination of this lesson, this class period, where students will be grouped together based on their different reading abilities and reading levels. And they'll be grouped together and they'll create a character, which can go into an overall bigger project, a summative performance for this overall unit, which is what this lesson plan was plucked from. And that overall project is actually a radio show. So one of the things that we talk about in this lesson plan are radio shows. And so this is something that I already had in the lesson plan, but it's this family theater, and it's called The Colonel's Daughter. It is an old-time radio show, and it allows the students to figure out all these different things about a character, maybe their name, their occupation, their age, the situation that they're in, how they feel about that situation, and figuring out why exactly those characters feel that way. And it helps them do that just by listening, so there's nothing for them to really look at, actually.
Going a little fast, weren't you?
Well, I don't think I was.
Well, according to my clock, it was 20 miles an hour.
And you call that fast?
I call it too fast for this area.
Oh, come now.
This is a military post, miss, and you're in a residential area. Can you see that sign there?
Well, what's that?
So yeah, it's a little cheesy, but it gives students exposure to something that they might not actually know about and can give them some ideas for their overall project. And it supports this bigger character worksheet. And this character worksheet is great. It breaks down the different aspects of characterization that we've talked about in class that day. It helps with action and expression because it gives students a roadmap for creating characters. It helps with engagement because it motivates students through choice and through personal expression based on their own interests. It also helps kinesthetic and visual learners because they have a way to organize information, which also helps students who have trouble with auditory learning. And based on this lesson plan, we do have some students who struggle with some auditory learning. And it also just engages the students because it encourages group work and it piques their individual interest. So it's great all around. So another technology support that I found to help support this overall lesson and get them to create a successful character, which they then get to perform, which is awesome, is from Beauty and the Beast. We would turn the screen off for this. They would only listen. But so you all can see the support. We'll go ahead and play it.
Not a word, Lemay, not one word.
I don't mean to intrude, but I've lost my horse, and I need a place to stay for the night.
Oh, Cogsworth, have a heart. Of course, monsieur, you're welcome here. Who said that? Over here. Where? Hello.
So again, kind of cheesy, kind of fun. It's something that most students will know, and if they don't, well, then they've got to learn about another new thing in class, which is great. So yes, it just helps with this overall concept of creating your own characters and being able to identify different things about them through vocalization. Thank you so much.